Hi, this is Mia from Freedom Marine and welcome back to another one of our Axopar how-to series. And of course we have Alex here from Revolution Yacht Experience, and today he's going to take us through how to pair your Bluetooth onto the Fusion system on an Axopar. Remember, if you like our videos, to like and subscribe, and Alex, I'll let you take it away from here.
Well, through the magic of film, we've actually changed boats. We've come onto a newer vessel that we think is going to be a little bit more relevant to most Axopar users out there. So now we have the Simrad IDS twin displays that we're going to work with, and we're going to walk you through this pairing process. So as you can see, I've already turned on those battery switches back in the aft cabin. Strictly speaking, you only really need that service battery switch to be on in order to listen to the stereo. But just to fire up the whole boat, we've actually just turned on the starboard port and start batteries as well. Okay, so as always, you are presented with these screens to accept all the terms and conditions of using them. And over here on the top left, you have the pull out audio tab. And then from here, you can try to pair a phone or a device. A lot of people, I get a lot of calls about this, asking me how to actually get their phone to speak with the display. And they spend much time going through as many menus as possible to try and get this thing alive. But unfortunately, no matter how many buttons you press or settings that you look into inside of here, you actually never get any further with pairing your Bluetooth phone, because it can only be done via this panel right over here. This is obviously a 28 Axopar, and this is obviously very easy to see and to find. On a 37 Axopar, it's actually hidden away down inside past the first entryway into either what is the head or a larger open cabin space, depending on the configuration that you have. So it's just in and around the corner. And you can see that you'll find exactly the same panel, and it's exactly the same process. It's got exactly the same button right on the front. So on this panel, we have the power button, which should send a wake up signal onto the device. And there it is there. It's pretty loud. Hang on. Mute. All right. So by pressing that button here once, what it's actually done is it's woken up the audio server. So most of these Axopars will actually have what they call an MSBB, or black box, which is just a black box audio server, and it lives in behind all of the dash area. So that audio server connects via the networking of the vessel to the screens, and the screens can then talk to them. So if you want to turn that thing on, generally you can just hit this one, and then the server will wake up. And then at that point, now when you pull this out, you can actually interact with it and change the station and stuff like that. But the Bluetooth is still not going to work because you need to pair it. So the pairing sequence is just as simple as it can be on your phone, like anything else that you would pair. Use your standard pairing procedure, but you need to make the black box or the audio server discoverable. You may have heard that term before. So if we take a really close look and come in a little closer here, we'll see that the power button has this circle around it. And then up the top right, it's got a little Bluetooth symbol. So what I do is I say one, I count to 3, and then I release. And what we should have, I don't know if you can see that flashing, is you can see that those things are just on, off, on, off, on, off. And that's telling us we're now in pairing mode. Okay, so after we have successfully put this into the pairing mode, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your phone, and I happen to use an Android phone, but the pairing sequence is super similar on an iPhone. So right now I have my Bluetooth screen open. So most people know how to get to that area. You can just simply press and hold the Bluetooth button. And then in here, I'm going to go through and I'm going to see that I have some options. So MSBB100 is going to be the name of the black box that the boat has. So I hit the button and it starts pairing it. And then once it's happy, it will be done. Pair, yes, agree, and then there it is. Okay, so I am now successfully paired with this Bluetooth device, and you can just hit play on any of your favorite playlists as per normal, and hopefully it remembers it. So every time you hop on board, you'll never have to do that again.
Alex, thank you so much for taking us through that. I think you've made it super simple and easy, and hopefully our viewers will find that as well. So thanks for watching another one of our videos. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.